Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video on some stuff because stuff is good. We're playing Shark Bite today with my friend Dr. Disco. Cause he's a pretty snazzy guy. Oh, and he didn't join my boat. That's just snazzy. That's just great. Well, oh gosh. Oh gosh, I hate this, I hate this, I hate this, I hate this, I hate this. I already hate it, I hate it so much. Okay, phew. That scared me. Whew. Honey. No, no, Whoa, that gave me the shivers. I hate sharks. I hate sharks. I hate sharks. I have every bark said the shark. I hate everything that is underwater. I hate it so much. I'm gonna try and find Sam's boat so then I can hop on there and the shark will eat him first. I sound like such a great friend right now. Oh my god. I've been doing videos with friends lately because I don't know, they're lonely up on myself. Because I'm lonely. Oh gosh, I'm choking. I keep choking in every video I make. Like, I just want to be so. Death of a bachelor, from the expense of the death of a bachelor. That song is so old, but it's still so good. I literally listen to that song every day. That's my next song I'm covering. You think people know? Oh! Ooh! Ooh! No, thank you. I'm good. How are you doing? I'm gonna leave now. See you later, guys. Bye. How you do, Cancer? Good. Oh. Honey, I'm not letting this shark get me today. Honey, no. No, honey, no, honey, no. Ah, nope, nope. Turn right back around. No, honey, no. You better turn. Nope. Oh. What is this guy saying? Post it for money. I'm like, I record top quality videos. Record. I can wait. Why can't I move? I can't move, guys. Oh, I was like, oh. Oh, the death of a rat. Oh no, it's not. It's sad. Why did I say that? Oh, it's sad. Death of a bachelor. From the expense of the death of a bachelor. Happy after. Oh. Dang, I hate those guys who do videos only for money. Oh, no. Right here. Because they are fun. I just think because they're fun and because I don't want the money. I mean, I think they're fun. Oh gosh. I mean, like, I get to do what I like when I'm recording. I swear from Shark, I'm gonna, if I am Shark, I swear, I swear. I'm playing hooky. Best of the best, hard on my chest, so you can see it too. I live, death of bachelor. Oh, no, no, I see it, honey, I'm gonna need, boo boo, no, oh gosh, I have like goosebumps on my face now, I'm scared, oh, girl, Sam, where are you? Everyone take Sam first. Why is my ducky so slow? I'm just chugging a bottle of soda like it's a liter. I'm halfway down. It's like, wait, I see him. Yes, I do. I see him. Nope, nope, nope. I see it. I see the shark. Honey, you gonna need be a little bit more discreet than that. No, honey. No boo boo. I don't approve. Yes, the time's up. I see you. I see you, Sam. I see you. 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 Oh, dang it. You. The shark ate my. Oh gosh. The shark ate my leg. Oh gosh. That sounds. That's that. Oh. Sounds Sorry, I can't even take this. The shark ate my legs. Well, oh, I'm saving it for the cruise ship one. That cruise ship one's bad. Actually, you know what? Your girl is gonna buy this. Hey. Okay, so I'm closer than I was, honey. What should I buy? Wait, did he leave? Oh, he's the shark! Mm. What the? We just started driving! Oh my god! Okay, I need to breathe for a second. Okay, I'm gonna pause this actually. Sam? I'm getting waterfall. Jumping over around his head. Lots of people have this looking. Death of a bachelor. How could you ask for more? Death of a bachelor. From the expense of the death of a bachelor. He was the shark. He no kill me, though. If he kill me, I kill him. And I just okay, great. This is fun. Wait, can I? What am I watching? Ooh, honey! No, girl, no, honey, no, 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 no. Oh, sorry, I was doing school on the other tab. No, 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 no. Turn that off. No, no, girl. Gonna have a panic attack. Ugh. Okay, so the series. Wait, I have a series called with friends, like horror games with friends, and then there's um runners with friends. Wait, ooh, no, 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 no. So the person with the most collabs on there, two currently, but this is gonna be my third one to do. Death of a Bachelor. Oh, that was terrible. Death of a Bachelor. From the expense of the death of a bachelor. Here, here. I'm like, please eat. Please eat me. Please, please. Please eat. Please, mom. Please, mom on my face. That sounded really wrong. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Sorry. It sounded really, really wrong. Honey. I'm gonna get demonetized. Rest in peace, Logan Paul. If everyone said he's coming back on like January 26th or something like that, it's like I can't wait that long. Can't wait 3 weeks. I can't wait 3 weeks. 2 people survived. Dang! Jeez. Oh, should I ask some more? This video's been so boring. I'm so sorry, guys. Videos just have been really boring lately. I don't know. My with friends ones are fun. I have the hiccups now. So, yeah. Actually, guys, I'm gonna end this video right here. If you guys like, please like and subscribe. I love you guys.